It happens to all of us. You're standing in line for coffee, trying to send a quick text message. You type out a sentence, but then you spot it. A single typo, hiding right in the middle of a word. So you start the delicate dance of trying to tap your finger on that exact spot. You tap too far to the left, then too far to the right. Your finger, which suddenly feels gigantic, covers the entire word. It feels like your high-tech smartphone is working against you. This little daily struggle is just one example of how we interact with these powerful devices. Connecting with friends, navigating new cities, capturing memories, managing our work. Yet we often only scratch the surface of their true capabilities. It's like owning a supercar but only ever driving it in first gear. Think about how much time you spend on your phone each day. Those minutes add up. What if you could turn frustration into efficiency? We'll cover 5 simple tricks to level up your tech game and take control. Let's go back to that frustrating moment of trying to fix a typo. The endless tapping, the misplaced cursor, the slow deletion of half your sentence. There's a much better way. Most people don't realize your keyboard has a hidden trackpad. It's built right into iOS. And on Android devices too. Press and hold the spacebar and the letters disappear. Your entire keyboard becomes a precision trackpad. Slide in any direction and place the cursor exactly where you want it. Imagine you've typed, "Let's meet for lunch tomorrow." Instead of tapping between letters, hold spacebar and glide into position. Type the R and continue. The whole process takes less than a second, like a texting ninja. Elegant, intuitive, and available on the phone you're holding. Open a note or message, press and hold that spacebar and feel the difference. Your phone's volume buttons seem straightforward, right? Up for louder, down for quieter. But what if I told you they have a secret double life? These physical buttons can do more than control sound. Tapping the screen shutter can cause blur. Instead, click volume up or down to take the photo. It feels like a real camera, satisfying and stable. Works with front or rear cameras, especially great in landscape. A small change that leads to sharper photos. Capture fleeting moments faster and more discreetly. Some phones let you double press to open camera and shoot immediately. Your phone becomes a ready point and shoot. Next time you open your camera, remember the volume buttons. They're more powerful than you think. Simple, tactile, better photos. Smartphones have gotten bigger and bigger. Great for videos, tough for one-handed use. You know the struggle, awkward, risky, or a two-hand surrender, and that defeats mobile convenience when the other hand is busy. This is where one-handed mode comes to the rescue. The interface shifts down to your thumb's reach. Notifications, top icons, quick settings, no gymnastics. Big screen benefits with small phone control. On many iPhones, swipe down on the bottom edge. On Android, try a corner swipe or add a quick access toggle. A quick search gives exact steps for your device. Once learned, it becomes second nature on the move. Better ergonomics and fewer drops. If you're not using it, you're missing a core tool. One-handed mode makes your phone truly mobile. Over time, you accumulate a lot of apps. Social, banking, games, productivity, news, and more. Finding the right app becomes hide and seek. Digital clutter wastes time and attention. The solution is simple: app folders. Tap and hold, drag one app onto another to create a folder. Accept or rename to what makes sense for you. It's like organizing a filing cabinet instead of a pile. Condense 5 or 6 pages into one clean screen. Group by use, media, travel, and work. Muscle memory makes access instant. Take 10 minutes right now to set it up. Daily dividends of efficiency and calm. We've all been there. You leave in 20 minutes. Every single minute of charging counts. Flip one simple switch, airplane mode. Your phone's radios and services constantly draw power. Some energy is used immediately instead of stored. It's like filling a bucket with a small leak. Airplane mode shuts radios down and cuts power draw. More power goes straight into the battery. Tests show up to about 25% faster. Trade-off: no calls, texts, or notifications while it's on. Use it when speed matters most. Swipe, tap airplane, plug in, get a better boost. A simple, effective trick for a very common problem. Remember it before quick out-the-door charges. More battery, less stress. So there you have it. 5 simple, practical secrets to improve your daily smartphone use. Edit text like a pro with the Spacebar trackpad. Take steadier photos using your volume buttons. Tame your home screen with folders. Make massive screens usable with one hand. And get a crucial battery boost in a rush. None of these require you to be a tech expert. They're built in, waiting for you to use them. Try them today. Spacebar cursor, volume shutter, make folders. Practice turns tips into second nature. What are your favorite smartphone secrets? Share the one trick that blew your mind. If this helped, tap like, subscribe for more tech tips, and ring the bell so you never miss one. Drop a comment below and help the community level up.